What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to enable NovaClick extension. So if you're looking to use the NovaClick extension here on your browser, well, this one is fairly easy. You just need to basically do a few things. So first things first is maybe we want to rapidly access our extension here. So typically speaking, you want to go to the top right here. You should be able to see your extension icon. Go ahead and click on it. And you want to look for the NovaClick extension or Nova extension here. So go ahead and just click on the pin here so that you can access it immediately on your extension section. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is you need to open it up and it should be automatically enabled. Now, in this case, it's not fully enabled here. So if in order for you to fully utilize it, you need to visit a website that enables or you can use NovaClick. Now, by the way, if you don't see your extension here, you want to go ahead and click on Manage Extensions, and you want to make sure that NovaClick is actually enabled. So this one is, in this case, the extension itself. So make sure you enable that so that you can use it. But in this case, how do we use it? So in this case, I'm in neo.bullx.io here. So let's go open up the extension for NovaClick. And as you can see, it's still disabled. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the disable button or the power button here. So again, you can only enable this on specific websites like neobullx.io. So if you try enabling this, just go to I'm in google.com. If you enable this, it's going to say extension can only be toggled on DEXs. So in this case, if you go to neo.bullx.io and try enabling this, this will actually enable itself and it will reload neo.bullx.io, and we now have that button that we could use to start buying here, which in this case is something really helpful. You could set up like a preset buy amounts here for SOL and also the preset amounts for percentage here like 10, 25, 50, and 100%. But yeah, so in this case, you go and save this if you want and start using it, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.